So again, why do we want to study people, technology, and organizations? The reason is because we want to see how technology and people add value to the organization, right? So let's just pause. The first important key term is the definition of MIS. The second one is, why do we study it? So we know what it is. Why do we study it? We study it because we want to know how it adds value, okay? And so adding value, you might say, what does adding value mean? And it's pretty straightforward. If your organization is for profit, then how does investing in technology increase your profits, right? That's value for a profit-driven organization. However, MIS doesn't just study for profit. We also study educational institutions, governmental institutions, NGOs. So they don't measure value with profits per se. So how do they measure value? They measure value by you have to look at the mission statement of the organization. So you're going to see this in this course. Anytime we're going to study an organization, we're going to ask you the mission statement. Why? Well, that's how we're going to know how it adds value to the organization, right? So, like we stated a little bit earlier, technology can add value. Depending on the organization, it can add a lot of value. So, for-profit organization can invest in technology and get a big return on investment, but another organization can invest in technology and not get that much return on investment. They might actually lose, right? So that's why we have to study this. So keep this in mind. The reason why we study people, technology, organization, to see how technology can add value to an organization. Next, we're going to cover how do they add value. And they add value with the 6 strategic business objectives, which we will cover next.